Tools and fittings required. You're going to need a 3.5mm drill bit, countersink drill bit, bridge fitting, electrical drill, 4.2 x 19mm screw or 4.2 x 25mm screw if fitting onto teak, and a silicone mastic. Firstly, you're going to want to pull tension on the strap so that the wing is flat and there are no imperfections in the canvas, and mark where the strap should lie. Then measure from a fixed point where you have marked your strap position so that you can then go on to replicate that on the other side. And then repeat the first step on the other side by pulling tension on the strap to make sure you're happy with the position, and then mark. Next, you will need to line up the strap and the bridge into the position where you would like it, and then mark the screw holes with your 3.5mm drill bit as shown. You can then drill those holes all the way through, making sure that you only drill through the top layer of the GRP. Now countersink those holes to reduce the chance of cracking. Then you'll need to fill that with a silicone mastic to seal it when screwed into. Finally, using your 4.2 x 19mm screws or 4.2 x 25mm screws if fitting onto teak, screw the bridges tightly into place, and that is how you fit a Tecsew issue bridge.